Hi everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today we'll take you on a quick tour of our star products, each designed to bring your visual ideas to life. Let's get started. Working on an outdoor project, we've got you covered with several great options. First up, meet our energy-saving star, the EV960. It uses common cathode technology, which saves about 40% more energy compared to traditional outdoor screens. The cabinet size is 960 by 960 mm. And both the cabinet and the module back shell are made of aluminum for better heat dissipation. The modules feature a hard connection design, supports dual maintenance, and are fully sealed on the back. The entire screen is built for direct outdoor exposure without extra shielding. Plus, these cabinets can be arranged in both curved and right-angle setups, making them perfect for outdoor 3D projects. Need higher pixel density? Check out our OF1000. We can currently achieve a fine pixel pitch of p2.976. Like the EV960, it also uses common cathode technology for energy savings and features aluminum cabinet and modules. With a 1 meter by 1 meter cabinet size, it also supports curved and right-angle configurations. Now for the best bang for your buck. The MA960 series is the undisputed champion. The magnesium alloy cabinets are built for rear maintenance, and you can pick a blue or black back door. Choose from a wide range of pixel pitches, from p2.5 to p10. The standard 960 by 960 mm cabinet weighs 28 kg. Setup is a breeze with quick locks cabinets and aviation plugs for all connections, which also gives you superior waterproofing. It's also versatile enough for curved 3D projects, using custom-made iron cabinets for the corner sections. Ready to create something amazing together? Reach out to us for a custom quote or consultation. Find all the details and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.